The best cameras to buy in 2020, cameras for every user level and every lifestyle. 1. Nikon D3500. A brilliant blend of simplicity, value, and quality for beginners. Type: DSLR sensor, APS-C megapixels, 24.2 MP lens mount, Nikon F screen, 3-inch fixed, 921,000 dots viewfinder, optical max video resolution, full HD user level, beginner. The Nikon D3500 is a long-standing favorite of ours. It's by no means the most advanced DSLR you can get, but its simplicity, its controls, and the quality of the images it can create make it our top recommendation for anyone just starting out. There's a lot the D3500 doesn't do. It has a fixed rear screen that's not touch sensitive, it doesn't have hybrid on-sensor autofocus, and it doesn't shoot 4K video. But its 24 megapixel sensor delivers super sharp, super high quality images. Nikon's latest AFP retracting kit lens is a miniature marvel and focuses very fast in live view, even without on-sensor phase detection autofocus. The D3500 handles well, it's easy to use, it's more powerful than it looks, and it's the perfect introduction to interchangeable lens photography. 2. Canon EOS Rebelle SL3/250D. For features, price, and user-friendliness, this is the best Canon DSLR. Type: DSLR sensor, APS-C megapixels, 24.2 MP lens mount, Canon FS screen, 3-in vari-angle touchscreen, 1,040,000 dots max burst speed, 5 fps max video resolution, 4K user level, beginner. The Canon EOS Rebelle SL3, called the EOS 250D in Europe, is a terrific camera for beginners, because although it costs a little more than entry-level models like the Nikon D3500, it has lots of features to make picture taking easier and more exciting, and the potential to take on more advanced projects as your skills grow. The 24 megapixel APS-C sensor delivers great results, but the star of the show is Canon's advanced dual pixel CMOS AF system, which makes the live view autofocus, when you use the rear screen rather than the viewfinder, extremely fast and responsive. Better still, the rear screen is both fully articulating and touch sensitive, so you can take pictures at all sorts of odd angles, and for the first time in a DSLR at this price it's possible to shoot 4K video. This is the perfect DSLR for bloggers and vloggers, not just regular photographers. 3. Olympus OMD EM10 Mark IV. The EM10 Mark IV is portable but powerful, and beautiful to use. Type: mirrorless sensor, micro 4/3 megapixels, 20.3 lens mount, MFT screen, 3-inch 180-degree tilting touchscreen, 1,037K dots viewfinder, EVF, 2,360K dots max shooting speed, 8.7 fps max video resolution, 4K UHD user level, beginner/intermediate. With a new 20 MP sensor, incrementally improved in-body image stabilization, and a new flip-down and tiltable monitor, the new Olympus OMD EM10 Mark IV is the best version yet of a camera we've been raving about for ages. Retaining the 4K video and attractive styling that made the Mark III so attractive to consumers, the Mark IV is set to be a new favorite for anyone looking for an entry-level camera that can do pretty much everything. This is one of our favorite pint-sized cameras ever, so we're really pleased that it has at last got Olympus's latest 20 MP sensor. It's still a little pricey for beginners, but this is a great little camera that's so much more powerful than it looks and could be with you for a long time to come. 4. Panasonic Lumix G100. Panasonic's new vlogging camera is pretty good at stills too. Type: mirrorless sensor, micro 4/3 megapixels, 20.3 lens mount, MFT screen, 3-inch vari-angle, 1,840K dots viewfinder, EVF, 3.69 m dots max continuous shooting speed, 10 fps max video resolution, 4K UHD user level, beginner/enthusiast. Vloggers and content creators will enjoy the simplicity of the Lumix G100. It makes it easy to capture high-quality video and stills with its approachable button layout. Even people uninterested in the technicalities of capturing great-looking videos will be able to get results with this camera. There's an inherent risk of dumbing things down too much when creating a camera for social media, but Panasonic has avoided that pitfall with the Lumix G100. By giving it a decent viewfinder and proper camera ergonomics, Panasonic has given the G100 an edge in a highly competitive market. This is a great camera to start with if you're interested in travel photography, vlogging or both. 5. Fujifilm X-T200. The X-T200 is great for photo novices, Instagrammers and vloggers. Type: mirrorless sensor, APS-C megapixels, 24.2 MP lens mount, Fujifilm X screen, 3.5 in vari-angle touchscreen, 2,760K dots viewfinder, EVF, 2,360K dots max continuous shooting speed, 8 FPS max video resolution, 4K user level, beginner/intermediate. The Fujifilm X-T200 is light and compact, but looks and feels handles like an old-school 35mm SLR camera. Best of all, it has a big new 3.5-inch vari-angle touchscreen with twice the resolution of most rivals and a 1:6 aspect ratio perfectly suited to video. It also has an electronic viewfinder and can shoot 4K video as well as 24-megapixel stills. Its 15 to 45mm kit lens is electrically powered, takes up much less space than a regular kit lens as well as offering wider angle of view than most, making it ideal for interior shots and big landmarks. The big touchscreen will help smartphone upgraders feel right at home, and if you decide you don't need an electronic viewfinder, the cheaper XA7 is essentially the same but cheaper. 6. Sony ZV-1. A brilliant fixed lens compact built for travel and vlogging. Type: compact sensor, 1-inch CMOS megapixels, 20.1 MP lens mount, N/A screen, 3-inch vari-angle touchscreen, 921K dots viewfinder, no max continuous shooting speed, 24 FPS max video resolution, 4K user level, intermediate. Normally we recommend interchangeable lens cameras for any kind of serious photography or filmmaking, but we'll make an exception with the Sony ZV-1. It has a fixed 3x zoom lens and a 1-inch sensor that's smaller than its Micro Four Thirds and APS-C rivals, but it makes up for it with a super compact body small enough to slip into a jacket or even a trouser pocket, and a body, controls, audio system and rear that are optimized brilliantly for vlogging. The woolly hat you see in the pictures is a muffler to cut wind noise while filming, and it comes with the camera, and the autofocus on this camera is blazingly fast, and copes brilliantly when you hold objects up to show the camera. 7. GoPro Hero 8 Black. The new Hero 9 is out, but this is practically as good, and cheaper. Weight, 126G waterproof, 10M 4K video, up to 60 FPS 1080, up to 240 FPS 720, up to 240 FPS stills resolution, 12 MP battery life, 1-3 HRS estimate. GoPro has become synonymous with action cams, and the release of the GoPro Hero 9 Black has made the Hero 8 even better value. By all means get the Hero 9 Black if your budget permits, you won't be disappointed. The Hero 8 Black is still amongst the best action cameras you can get, however. It has fold-out feet, that means that you have a camera mount built in. And then you can accessorize the Hero 8 Black even more with a new series of beautifully designed optional extras called mods. We particularly like the display mod, which adds a second monitor that is perfect for vloggers. These add-ons cost you more, but you don't buy the Hero 8 Black if you are looking of a budget camera. You buy it because it offers the best video footage, and the best image stabilization system we have used, barring that is the larger, more expensive GoPro Hero 9 Black.
Thanks for watching. Kindly hit the subscribe button and subscribe to my channel.